Barbie got a new car. Let's try it out. Whoa! I love it! Whoa! Oh no, she crashed. She got a ticket by the cat police.
No, Barbie. Oh no, Barbie. Barbie, are you okay? Oh, Barbie gonna turn.
The cat police is right watching her. Uh-oh, she hasn't seen.
Police is gonna get arrested. Oh no! Barbie's gonna crash into the car.
Now we're in a field of flowers. They totally don't know what's going on.
Oh my God, Barbie! Barbie, are you okay?
Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh my God!
Please make sure to like and subscribe.
My
Thank
car
you
got
for watching.
my car.